Hello and welcome to the TechWiz course series of videos introducing the TechWiz project and the tools it produced. This is the introductory video in the series, where we will focus on the purpose of the project and give an overview of the results and expectations of future videos. TechWiz is funded by the European Union through the Erasmus Plus program. The project's full name is Sign Language Dictionary of Technical Terms for Education. As is implied by the name, the main goal of the project is the production of a sign language dictionary specifically for technical terms that are often used in higher education but are not defined in sign language. The project partners consist of 6 institutions. These are the Meridata Company from Portugal, the Hellenic Mediterranean University in Greece, the University of Siegen in Germany, the Polytechnic Institute of Porto in Portugal, the University of Maribor in Slovenia, and the European Association of Career Guidance in Cyprus. Deaf people have many different problems when it comes to communicating with the rest of the population. They often have problems reading fluently and cannot understand the meaning the same way as they can in their native sign language. Technical terms are essential to all technical and scientific efforts and typically have very specific meanings. In education, there is a need to provide clear definition of terms when introducing a new topic. By having these terms only defined in written language, deaf students are put at a disadvantage. In education, there is a need for a tool that uses sign language to introduce and explain to deaf students technical or scientific concepts from specific areas of knowledge. To make this possible, we have implemented a dictionary that has the possibility to sign the definition of the technical terms or any word for that matter in sign languages. But before we get to that, we have to first talk about 2 preceding tools that are used to make the dictionary possible. TechWiz Studio is an application that enables us to configure an avatar to sign specific words from different sign languages. The configurator allows us to digitally represent basically any gestures signers would want to make to create signs. These signs are used in the TechWiz dictionary to communicate the definition of search terms through any of the supported sign languages. TechWiz Glass Loader is the middle step between the TechWiz Studio and the TechWiz dictionary. It defines how signs that were created in the studio should follow one another to make a comprehensible sentence in sign language. This is necessary because the sentence syntax is not necessarily the same between spoken and sign language. Glass Loader also defines how the words from spoken language map to the sign language, which is important when the words are in different forms than the sign name configured in the TechWiz Studio. This happens because plural forms, conjugation, etc. cause the word form to change in written language, but it does not affect the sign used. So when moving from a written language to a sign language, a lot of words with the same root meaning map to the same sign. Finally, we have the TechWiz dictionary, which combines the virtual representation of sign languages from the TechWiz Studio and the syntax mapping between written and sign language from the TechWiz Glass Loader. The resulting dictionary enables a search functionality in any of the supported spoken languages and offers a definition of the found terms in the corresponding sign language. While this project and these tools address one specific problem, the technologies and solutions developed can be extended for other use cases and deaf communication problem areas. As part of the project, we have also made this course that will teach anybody interested in learning about the previously mentioned tools. The essential part of the course is the certification, which allows anybody to receive a certificate proving their understanding of the TechWiz ecosystem and their proficiency with the tools produced in the project. The certification process includes learning about the tools developed in the project, testing them out, and finally showing one's mastery of them by passing an exam. We will talk more about the certification in a future video. Before we finish this short introduction, we would just like to give a short overview of what the future videos will bring. The following video will be an overview of the 3 TechWiz tools, which will talk a little bit more about what they are and how they connect with everything else. After that, we will have 3 dedicated videos for each of the 3 TechWiz tools. For the TechWiz Studio, there will be an additional video with a few examples of configuring specific words in sign language. In the final video, we will go into more detail on the certification process and how you can participate. We hope you found the ideas and work behind the TechWiz project interesting. If you wish to learn more about the project and its results, continue to watch the videos, or you can follow and/or contact us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit the project's website. Thank you for watching and goodbye.